Winter has finally arrived. We got lots of snow coming to the mountains. We got lots of rain here in the valley and a possibility of maybe snow in the Portland area early next week. So now's the time to get ready.
Oh yeah, everybody's a buzz about it. And really two different worlds of two camps of people who want the snow in a very big way. And another camp is like, no, keep it far away from us. So I'm going to talk about the possibilities and what really is the likelihood that we're going to see snow actually accumulate on city streets here in Portland. We'll get to that here in just a second. Current conditions, of course, no snow here at the moment, 41 degrees. We are mostly cloudy. We've been mostly cloudy today. We had a few showers come through. Snow level, that freezing level, is right around 1,500 feet tonight through tomorrow morning. So a long list of weather alerts, lots of colors on the map, so let's break it down. First, what's going to happen? The snow for the Cascades, a winter storm warning. It goes into effect starting at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, lasting until Saturday noon. So we could be seeing anywhere from 1 to 2 feet of snow, even upwards of 2 to 3 feet of snow for some of our local ski resorts. Also, a winter storm warning for the Blue Mountains. Now, this warning is going to be extended all the way into Monday morning, possibly up to about 1.5 feet of snow there. Now, let's take you over to the valley, where a wind advisory goes into effect starting tomorrow afternoon, lasting until early Saturday morning. Wind gusts upwards of 45 miles per hour possible. Along the coast, well, we have a whole lot of interesting things happening for you at the beach if you're going to be spending tomorrow or the weekend there. A coastal flood advisory only in effect for tomorrow morning through afternoon. Bigger waves on the way, though, 25, possibly 30 feet by the time we get to Saturday. That plus king tides, extreme high tides. One of the reasons for the coastal flood advisory. Tomorrow morning's high tide, that's at 11 o'clock. Radar showing us some light showers sitting offshore, but for the most part, we're dry across the state. Now let's dive into those freezing temperatures. So when we're looking at long-range forecast models, there's a lot of information that gives us clues that we might be on track for something perhaps pretty impactful. So the one thing that seems to be the most consistent are freezing temperatures at the surface and even below freezing conditions as Arctic air is going to be coming in from the north. So let's play it out and show you what we're seeing. By the time we get to Sunday night, that's when the colder air just is beginning to kind of filter in. So this is just one model depiction showing us freezing conditions highlighted in pink. It's either freezing or below. Noticing this puts us across the coast range, right around 1,500 feet. And also into some of our foothills closer to about 700 feet. This is Sunday night. Now, by the time we get to Monday night and Tuesday, now more widespread freezing conditions at the surface, including our lowest elevations all the way to the coastline here, just north of Tillamook. This goes down to Salem through Tuesday. Noticing now by Wednesday and Thursday, more widespread freezing conditions and below freezing, especially overnight, expected. This is the most consistent thing that we're seeing. Now, can we couple that with enough moisture to bring us measurable snow? Well, let's take a peek at where we're starting tomorrow. Tomorrow, again, freezing levels right around 1,500 to 2,000 feet. This is tomorrow morning about 5 o'clock in the morning. Some of our foothills might notice some of those snowflakes mixing in with the rain. But again, the majority of the snow heading right into the mountains above 3,000 feet to even 4,500 feet by tomorrow night. Gusty winds associated with this. The winds from the south, that's going to bring our temperatures up in a big way. Now we get to Sunday, early Sunday morning. Again, it's still all about the snow for the mountains, right around 2,500 feet. We're going to bring that snow level down even lower, though, Sunday night. Now we're starting to flirt with areas right around 800 feet to 700 feet for you Sunday evening. So the possibility certainly is there of seeing some lower elevation snow. But remember, we're coming into a period where we've been dealing with temperatures overnight that haven't even been close to freezing. So getting any snow to actually stick to the ground initially is going to be pretty tough. But I think if we keep that really cold air in place and we add enough moisture, we might be able to get some lower elevation snow actually accumulating right here in the metro.
Yeah, it's been mild, so the ground is still pretty warm for winter.
Yeah, this will be our first big cold snap
in
a while. Thanks, Natasha. We'll be right back, everybody.